taking a little tour through the local gypsy market near Joy Tulum, just down the street from my hotel. Very nice. They have some of the best chocolate I've ever had there. Next to Mandala chocolate, of course. Today is a pretty action-packed day, so join me for a wonderful beach adventure. I had a feeling there would be a taxi that would show up to pick us up from Gypsy Market, and indeed there was, but I definitely recommend instead riding on a Collectivo to save money if you're headed to the beach or elsewhere. It was definitely interesting getting to ride in taxis and eat out at places and do what I'm doing, because normally I cook and make all my food at home. Got my, I don't want to spill them everywhere. Whoa. Little bump here. I got my organic peanuts. Beautiful organic dark chocolate. Very nice. And we're here with this badass taxi driver in a nice comfy vehicle. And we're making it down to the beach. That's where we're going today. We had an amazing night last night. I slept so well. Ina slept well too.
Oh yeah, I did. I slept until 10:30.
Should we throw it? Where do you want me to throw it? Just out? Ready? Woo! He's hitching a ride, apparently. Oh my god! So...
Hello, we are Roll Love Beach Bar, finding new smoothies. So we have the green goddess, which is spinach, moringa, spirulina, pineapple, banana, ginger, passion fruit, and coconut milk.
Oh, that sounds amazing. It sounds amazing.
Cacao, banana, maca, ashwagandha, vanilla, dates, and almond milk. It's more or less the same. Or the healthy belly, papaya, ginger, turmeric, aloe, banana, passion fruit, and coconut milk.
That is just fantastic. Here you go. Thank you.
Maybe hands open.
Thank you so much for joining us. Remember to do a little dance every single day.
Oh, yes.
I gotta go for a nice stroll in the sun on the white sandy beaches next to that beautiful blue ocean with just amazing fresh air. I gotta say the architecture around here is incredible, and the coconuts are too. And of course the little guy wanted to jump in and check it out. Hey! I was feeling recharged, feeling good, but I gotta tell you, it was time to refill the tank, time to try out some more of the amazing food in the area. So I strolled on up to the main street where they've got lots of good food. They've got street food, they've got great restaurants, and I had to go check it out, of course.
Friends, I hope you can join us in Holistic with Kay living and follow the adventures of Maytrelli Diaz. We are hanging out in the South Caribbean and Mexico and Tulum area and getting to know my friend Shaman Sean and all these cool places. So join us.
Perfect. Oh, yeah. They had some amazing vegan burritos, which I got to try out later. I had a beautiful passion fruit drink with all three of their different types of vegan tacos, which was totally delicious. Just look at the color in that. It's amazing. So the food was really fresh, really clean, and tasted awesome, well above average. So I really definitely recommend La Malinche. Awesome place to go if you're in the area or you want to check out one of the other restaurants. And the atmosphere was fantastic. I gotta hand it to them. They really know how to dress up the place and give you that amazing tropical vibe. I mean, hey, this beats cooking at home. Wow, I'm really impressed. And the staff was courteous and they served us quickly. I also tried out some coconut. After going out and checking out some of the other shops and our friend Larissa, we came back to try out some vegan burritos, and it was absolutely delicious. It has something called huatlacoche.
Let me explain you about huitlacoche. Huitlacoche is a fermented way of corn that it starts the transformation while it's in the corn cob. This transformation happens and it becomes a fungus. So this is one of the pre-Hispanic foods from Mexico. It is a healing vegetable, and it's amazing. If you are around Mexico, please try Huitlacoche quesadillas.
Perfect. Thank you. We got ourselves a little, like, was that a bus? I don't know. We were crammed in there like sardines. That's all I know. We saved a bunch of money riding a collectivo back into town, which is basically a van full of people. Saves a lot of money instead of paying for a taxi. And I guess 20 pesos gets you pretty far compared to a taxi. Whoa. Go ahead. That is crazy. And this artwork is just jumping. One of our last stops for the night was to stop at Holyoke to try out some of their vegan ice cream. It's basically a mixture of ground up fruit, and it's frozen, and it's super delicious. If you ever see one of these stands or Holyoke, I recommend you try it.
Okay.
Passion fruit?
Yeah.
Let's do banana. Holyoke?
Holyoke.
Holyoke. Thank you. Beautiful. And what's your name?
Barbara.
Barbara. Nice to meet you, Barbara. I'm Sean.
Nice to meet you, Sean.
Ooh, I'll do some cacao nibs. Coconut. Can I do this one?
Yeah.
That looks amazing. Thank you.
It's the base is coconut yogurt.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
And how much?
It's 95. Oh no, and this is 105.
Perfect way to end the day with some vegan ice cream. Man, that stuff was delicious. I'd love to learn how to make it. Well, it was time to head back to the hotel. 5, okay. I am back at the hotel with nearly 15,000 steps, almost 7 miles. I hope you hit that subscribe button, share this video. Don't forget to leave a like and comment down below what you think of today's video. I put a lot of work into these, so I hope you continue to watch, and you take care and have a fantastic day.